Hi everybody, welcome to Carry On Jeff and John. What we're going to be doing is a crustless quiche. Now for this, the ingredients that you need is 6 slices of smoky bacon, about 12 button mushrooms sliced, 1 red capsicum cut into chunks, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 red onion finely chopped, 6 eggs beaten, and what you want then is to line a couple of trays there, grease the bottom and put your lining paper on there. So you want 2 of them or 1, I've got 2 small ones so that's what I'm going to use. And you want your oven on 180. Right, the first thing we do is switch on your gas. Put about a tablespoon of oil. Wait till that gets hot. Now what we do is you put your 6 slices of bacon in and your red onion. 1 small red onion in there, finely chopped. And you want to cook this for about 5 minutes. Right, now you've cooked them for 5 minutes or so, what we're going to do now is put another smidgen, about a tablespoon of olive oil, any olive oil you can use, vegetable, whatever, it's entirely up to yourself. Add the mushrooms, add the red peppers, I'm going to cook these for about 5 minutes. If you feel as though your mushrooms are a little bit dry, just add yourself a little bit of olive oil in there, entirely up to yourself. The mushrooms do take a lot of oil. After you cook them for about 3 minutes, add your bacon and red onion in there like so. Get all that bacon flavour into them mushrooms. If you like quiche, this is the easiest way to do it. It's crustless, you don't have to mess around doing pastry. I'm not really a great lover of pastry anyway, so this is why I thought, well, I'm going to try it this way. So cook that for about 10 minutes in total. Then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. While that's cooking for the last minute, what you want is to get yourself a tray, cake tray, whatever you want to use. I'm using 2 of these because I'm going to be making 2. Just grease the bottom of it up, make sure you get round the sides like so, cut yourself a circle and just grease it in there like so. And there you go, easy peasy. Then it's guaranteed that it's not going to stick to the bottom of your cake tin or whatever tin you're using. Right, after you've cooked all the mixture now for about 10 minutes, just take a bit of it, of the mixture off, like so. And this is going to be our decoration for the top. Right. Get your tins. like so. Season with some salt and black pepper. This is great for dinner time with a bit of salad, or for breakfast. It's entirely up to yourself. Now what we do, put the egg in. Freshly chopped parsley. Divide between the two trays. If you're making a big one, then obviously you can just do one large one. It's entirely up to yourself. Put that on there like so. There you are. And there you have, my friends. Crustless quiche. I'm just going to save them with a few nice fine tomatoes. Now that's what you call an awesome voila!